Hi guys, welcome to this mini Tunisian crochet lessons. For today's video, I'm going to be demonstrating how to increase in Tunisian simple stitch, which is this one. If you don't know how to do this simple Tunisian stitch, go ahead and watch the first video of this series where I explain the basics of it. If you already watched that one, let's get started with our sample here. To increase in the beginning of the row, instead of just going ahead and inserting our hook here, you're going to yarn over, insert our hook in our first stitch and pull through. Then we continue the row as normal, but we're gonna have one extra loop in our row here, which is going to become one extra stitch when we finish this row. We get to the end, pull up our last loop and do our return pass as usual. That's it. Now we have one extra stitch. To do the next row, we insert our hook here and do it as usual with our extra stitch. If we want to add another stitch in this, next row, we just do the same thing. To increase a stitch at the end of the row, what we are going to do is we are going to yarn over before our last stitch, like this. We yarn over, insert our hook in our two vertical bars here, pull up a loop, and do a return pass. That's it. Very simple. Simply do that to increase wherever we want to increase one stitch. We just yarn over before inserting our hook in the next stitch.